Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. We've got a chicken curry on the go today. This is a pepper chicken. It's quite dry in the sense that it's not, in a big masala sauce. It is spicy, it is delicious. It's got fantastic aromatic flavors in there. Stop talking, Simon, let's get on with it. So let's get started on this wonderful chicken. What we have here is some coriander seeds, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, 1 dried chili, and cumin seeds. Roughly about equal amounts. There's like 2 teaspoons of each of those guys. Simply, let's get to the cooker. We're gonna dry fry them and then grind them up. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? So we've got a frying pan here, or some form of skillet. Dry, nothing in it, no oil or anything. In go the peppercorns, the cumin seeds, the fennel seeds, the coriander seeds, and that dried chili. We're on an above medium heat, just like 2 minutes. Throw this around in here. It will start to smoke a little bit, which is great. Just want to toast them a little bit just for 2 minutes, and then we're going to get them in a grinder and make a beautiful little masala powder with them. So that was just like 2 minutes. They're in my grinder now. Gonna grind them up and make a nice powder. Okay, so there's that little powder we made. We're gonna be adding that in a bit later on. So I've got 1 kg of chicken there. The skin has been taken off, but the bone is in. 1 large onion chopped small, 2 tomatoes. You saw our little spice there. Fresh cilantro or coriander, fresh curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, about another teaspoon of fennel seeds and cumin seeds, and a little bit of cinnamon there. Then we've got 3 powders here. Teaspoon each of cumin, turmeric and coriander. That's about it. Let's get moving. Okay, so here I am. I've got this large pot here and I've got some oil in there. I'm using quite a lot of oil. You might want to use less. I like the oil in it, and I'm using mustard oil. We're going to start by dropping in that cinnamon and the fennel seeds and cumin seeds. And again, you could be adding some other stuff in here. Some people put black mustard seeds in here, a little bit of star anise. Perfect. We're now going to go with my curry leaves. And our onion. So as you can see in here, we're on quite a high heat. And we're going to be going for about 4 minutes, stirring all the time. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Next up, we're going to drop in our garlic ginger paste. Now, garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We make plenty of it ourselves here, or you can buy it in most stores, depending on where you live, of course. Now we're going to go in with our tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Salt, and then our 3 spices: turmeric, coriander and cumin. You may notice that there's no fresh chilies going on in here or chili powder. You can of course add some, but we've got that dried red chili in the masala powder, which we're going to be adding a bit later. But yeah, we're going to get the heat really from pepper. Okay, about another 3 or 4 minutes, keeping it moving. We want these tomatoes to break down, and if you've used a nice juicy ripe tomato, they're going to give off a little bit of liquid. See you then. So as you can see, I've got some liquid from my tomatoes. If you didn't, just add a little spot in, you know, not too much. Okay, chicken time. So let's get our chicken in. So I've got 1 kg of chicken. It's like a whole chicken. So we've got different parts in there. The skin has been taken off, but the bones are still in. I'm going to turn the heat down to a medium now. And I'm going to let this go for about 8 minutes. Now, if it gets a bit dry, I'm going to be topping it up with a little touch of water here and there. You need to do the same, of course. Yeah, see in about 8 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. And that's looking beautiful. I added just a little bit of water in there, but it's kind of cooked out somewhat as well. So, chicken's cooked now. Next up, we're going to grab that masala that we made earlier, you know. This is all the black pepper and everything in there. And this is where the chili comes in. The only chili that's going in this. We're going to mix this in and we're going to cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And we're pretty much done. Delicious stuff. Okay, off goes the heat. Fabulous. Only one more thing to do. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, chopped in the mix. I'll see you at the table. Steaming hot. Absolutely delicious. Serving that with some rice, but it's also great with some sort of roti, paratha or something like that, chapati. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.